Welcome back, everyone, to this episode in the series Uranium 2020. In this episode, I will be talking about the reactor buildout and the implications and what to watch there. And something that's very important to realize when it comes to the building of new reactors versus existing ones is that new reactors are more impactful on the demand picture than existing ones. Now, why is this? Well, it's because new reactors require an initial fuel load that is much larger than in subsequent years. A new reactor will get a full load, and then every year afterwards, a third of it will be replaced approximately. And so new reactors are quite impactful. And another thing we have to look at is where is the growth? Because in China, for example, if a new reactor is built, well, it will require approximately 3 years initially, and then it will need 7 years worth of strategic inventory. And so a new reactor in China will require approximately 10 years worth of demand. Now, if you look at what's going on right now, the schedule of when reactors are supposed to be coming online, yes, I know there's delays. There's also more than 50 reactors under construction. And many are coming online in 2020, some more in 2021, and every year after. And we also look, and 8 were started in China this year. And the other thing I wanted to point out is when you're looking at the number of new build reactors, the number that you should be looking at is the capacity of the reactors and in terms of megawatts or whatever, megawatts, gigawatts, whatever, not the number of reactors, because many of the newer reactors are multiples of the size, 2 times, 3 times the size of older reactors. So if you look and be like, well, 3 reactors came offline, 3 reactors went online. Now, those aren't the exact real numbers, but my point is you need to look because those new reactors, in addition to their initial fuel load, which is quite impactful, well, they could be 3 times the size of old reactors. And so just watch. The other thing to be cognizant of is the news flow. Because over the past year, there's been a number of positive acceptance towards nuclear power, one could say. And there's even been some optimism around SMRs, or small modular reactors, as a potential future for the nuclear space in parts of the world where the economics are tough on the traditional reactors. Now, will it work? Will it be the new wave? I don't know. But the point is, that type of news flow or that type of thing, as in a more positive buying environment, so to speak, that type of growth could be seen as a potential obstacle to utilities or companies or countries getting all the uranium that they might have hoped to be getting down the line. They could see this as a threat in a different type of price environment. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've made it to this point, I applaud you. If you enjoyed, you might also enjoy the other episodes in this series, and they will be all out eventually, and probably some have been released already. As always, nothing I say is investment advice. This is all just what I'm seeing, how I'm thinking about the sector, and what I view as relevant. So with that, I will leave you there and have a great day.